Is the iPhone XR still worth buying in 2025? Even though it launched in 2018, the XR is still one of Apple's most searched budget phones. In this video, we'll cover its design, performance, camera, battery, and price. And I'll tell you if it's still a smart choice today. The iPhone XR has a 6.1-inch Liquid Retina LCD display. While it's not OLED like the iPhone X or newer models, it still looks bright, sharp, and colorful. The bezels are a little thicker, but for everyday use it holds up surprisingly well in 2025. Powered by the A12 Bionic chip, the XR can still run iOS 18 without major issues. Apps like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and even light gaming are smooth. If you're into heavy 3D games, you might notice some slowdown compared to the iPhone 13 or 14. But for most people, it's more than enough. The single 12-megapixel rear camera doesn't look impressive on paper, but thanks to Apple's software, the results are still solid. Portrait mode works well, and the photos are definitely good enough for social media. If you want night mode or multiple lenses, you'll need a newer iPhone. The XR's battery life is actually one of its strongest points. A used XR with a healthy battery can still last nearly a full day of normal use. That makes it a great pick for students or anyone who doesn't want to charge all the time. Right now, you can find refurbished iPhone XR models for under €200 or dollars, making it a very affordable entry into the Apple ecosystem. If you want 5G, advanced cameras, or the latest design, you should look at something newer. But if you're on a budget and want a reliable iPhone for everyday use, the XR is still a great choice in 2025. So, would you still buy an iPhone XR today? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Global Tech 10 for more iPhone reviews and tech updates.